चलिए अब हम लोग शुरू करते हैं चैप्टर 3। अ ट्रिप टू भोपाल। टुडे Sugandha is very excited. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with her teachers. Mrs. Miss Minakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. Miss Minakshi, we will need 4 buses. Mr. Rakesh, I think we need at least 5. Miss Meenakshi, each bus has 50 seats. Mr. Rakesh, let us see how many children are going. Class 1 में 33, क्लास 2 में 32, क्लास 3 में 42, क्लास 4 में 50, क्लास 5 में 53। तो अब इसको जो है आप लोग ऐड कीजिए। ऐड करके ये आया कितना 33 +32 +42 +50 +53, that is 210. Each bus has 50 seats. तो अगर करेंगे तो एक बस में 50 +50 +50 +50 कितना हुआ 200। 10 बच रहे हैं अभी भी। तो +10, हाँ 5 बस चाहिए। सो देयर आर टोटल ऑफ 210 children. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? 200. Will there be any children left without seats? Yes, 10. For just a few children, we can't get another bus. We can share seats waiting for the buses. Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them run! Grab the window seat!" Many children start jumping in excitement, but stop! What is this? These buses are so small. Now there is an argument. We told you to bring big buses. We did not have enough big buses, so we got many mini buses. Each mini buses can take 35 students. How many mini buses are needed? तो 200 को कर देंगे डिवाइड 210 divided by 35, that is 6. We need 6 buses. The journey as the buses start moving from Hoshangabad, children sing at the top of their voices. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal? Miss Asha, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around. Come on now, get in for it's already 9 o'clock. तो 9 o'clock से 2 hours कितना हुआ 9 10 around 11 o'clock. Is it very far? It is about 70 kilometers. Are we going to stop anywhere? Maybe at a Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometers from here. If they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock. As they are talking, Bahadur saw, "Hey, look at the Narmada." Everyone looks out of the windows. Ruby, wow, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is. After अगर वो लोग भीमबेटका रुकते हैं तो वो वो लोग शायद 11 बजे के बाद ही पहुंचेंगे। ओके। um 100 meters, no, it is much more, can't say. It must be more than half a kilometer. Look, it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that Narmada must be around 500 meters wide at this place. Was Victoria right? No. Sadaf, I just can't imagine 500 meters. See, Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. तो 500 मीटर का है तो 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 कर दोगे तो कितना हुआ 100 buses. Have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be uh, about 40 meters below the bridge. But in the rainy season, the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. What is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now? So 40 minus 15, 15 का तो that is 25 meters. The children discuss about the river for some time. Suddenly, the bus stopped with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses need to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have gone down to look more closely. Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill, and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about 15 into 2, that is 30 minutes. Which means they are late by about 30 minutes. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. So we have to pay 3500 rupees for the diesel. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. That is 35 rupees per liter. As the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? To Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? It's a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years? I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. Oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. That means those kids are almost 100 great grandmothers old. Everybody bursts into laughter. Ha ha ha. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It's about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings. That too on rocks. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Shankar, this painting also has very big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer, or people. 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. I got 117. Yeah, deer. How many more deer are there than bisons? तो इसको कर दें कितना? तो 117 माइनस 37 करो कितना? 80. There are 80 more deer than bisons. But Bonomala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. Her count is less than 200. How many people must Bonomala have counted? तो 37 plus 117 कितना हुआ? 37 plus 117, that is 154. The guide tells him that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? 12 o'clock. They are now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour at about 12 o'clock. Lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, oranges, and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and five biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. How many oranges, biscuit, and bananas are distributed? अगर 210 बच्चे हैं, ठीक, और एक एक को दो, एक एक को दिया गया है कितना? तो 210 ऑरेंज हुए और बनानास में 38 चिल्ड्रन जो है लिया नहीं है, तो 210 माइनस 38 कर दो कितना? 172। और पांच बिस्किट, पांच बिस्किट्स हो गए एक एक बंदे का, तो 5 into 210, 1050. How many orange biscuit and bananas are distributed? Manjeet and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. Manjeet, tell me the number which is exactly between the 100 and 150. 120, no. 130, no. It is 125. Right, okay, you ask. Now other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling question. I gave 4 toffees each to the 4 of my friends, and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I gave? 4. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. What numbers can you make using 3, 5, and 7? You can make 357 and 537 and 753, 573 and 375. ठीक है? नंबर becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? That is 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. That is 25. That is 30 can be divided by 2 and 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Is small and climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute, but it slips down 2 centimeter. How much time will it take to climb to 2 centimeter? अगर वो 3 सेंटीमीटर 1 मिनट में और फिर जो है 2 सेंटीमीटर गिर जाता है तो फिर एक हुआ, तो फिर एक, तो फिर it will take 2 minutes. Which boats do we take? They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake in Bhopal. It is very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Double decker 30, trip time 45 minutes. Paddle boat 15 rupees 30 minutes. Motor boat 25 rupees 20 minutes. Boat with oars 15 rupees 45 minutes. 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. We will take the motorboat. It is costly but fun. Zoom. Let us take the oarboat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. Hey, we are going on the double decker. It also has music. It costs a lot, but we get more time. Indra and Bhanu first went in motorboat and then took the oarboat. How much did they pay for the boat? The boats तो मोटर तो इंदिरा एंड भानु है तो पहले लिए 2 लोग हैं। अब मोटर बोट 25 रुपीज का है, ठीक है। और 2 लोग हैं, तो फिर 25 × 2 दैट इज 50 रुपीज, ठीक है। एंड देन टू द ओवर बोट, और फिर लिए कौन सा बोट, और बोट लिए है, तो ये हुआ 15 × 2 दैट इज 30 रुपीज। तो 30 + 50 इज इक्वल टू 80 रुपीज। हाउ मच डिड दे पे फॉर बोथ द बोट? 80 रुपीज। हाउ मच टाइम did they get for both rides? 45 + 20, that is 45 minutes plus 15 means he is equal to 1 hour, to 1 hour 5 minutes, ठीक है। One group of children went for a double decker trip. They paid 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? So डबल डेकर ट्रिप कितने का है? 30 रुपीज का है। तो 30 रुपीज, तो हम लोग कर देंगे इसको 450 डिवाइडेड बाय 30, दैट इज 15 चिल्ड्रंस। विच बोट मेक्स 2 ट्रिप्स इन 1 आवर, 2 ट्रिप 1 घंटे में, तो वो है हमारा पैडल बोट। ठीक है, 30 मिनट्स दिया रहा है वो। जावेद went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? He paid total 40 and 50 minutes. 40 रुपीज हुआ तो तुम्हारा हुआ मोटर बोट और पैडल बोट। और ये 30 + 20 दैट इज 50 मिनट्स। ठीक है। हम्म। Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? कौन सा बोट हुआ तुम्हारा, कौन सा मोटर बोट सबसे कम टाइम ले रहा है? Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Most time taking or least money, तो ये है तुम्हारा boat with oars, that is 15 rupee and 45 minutes. Javed went twice for boating. He paid rupees 40 and boated for 15 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Time to return. Children enjoyed different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by 6 o'clock. Fine. Have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. Practice time. There are 4 very old cave painting. Mark the oldest. Oldest कौन सा हुआ? 8500 years old वाला. One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? तो 48 इंटू 3 कर दोगे तो क्या होगा? तो 48 × 3 that is one bus can carry 48. How many children can 3 buses can carry? So 144, that is about 150. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? तो देखो कौन सा नंबर है जो 500 से ज्यादा बनाता, तो 321 प्लस 192 that is 513 to 401 plus 91 that is 492, no, 152 plus 241 that is 393, no. So the answer is option B, that is 513. What happened at what time? Draw lines to match. Cross the Narmada bridge 9:10 a.m. Looked at Bhimbetka paintings. तो ये आपका है रिटर्न टू होशंगाबाद 6 बजे। हैड लंच, लंच कब हुआ तुम्हारा? 11:30 पे। बोटिंग इन लेक 12:30 पे। एट द पेट्रोल पंप कब थे हम लोग? 9:30 a.m. पे। लुक एट भीमबेटका पेंटिंग एट 3 p.m. ओके, सो हम लोग का ये हो गया चैप्टर कंप्लीट। तो थैंक यू, बाय बाय।